Baby Love.
Break my heart if I find out you can't move. You better show me now, show me now, show me now. 'Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, Mr. DJ, play a song for this pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might make her my baby. I just might make her my baby. Hey, I just might. Oh, I just might.
It's the moments like this when the day starts to fade. In the shadow I know
Nga, ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, ang Diyos ang unang umibig, tayo ay nakaramdam ng pag-ibig mula sa Diyos at tayo ay naghahanap na mapag-aalayan natin ng ating pag-ibig o ng ating pagmamahal. Kaya kapag natagpuan na natin iyon, sinasabi natin na kumpleto na tayo.
holding me close, keeping me here in the
Thank you sa lahat ng efforts at sacrifices mo. Sa walang sawang pagtitiis, sa paglimot ng salitang homesick. Makarating lang tayo sa kung anong meron tayong
that I wouldn't do. So I'll hold on to every word. I won't forget
At sa panibagong yugto ng ating buhay bilang mag-asawa, mas lalo pa nating pagtibayan ang ating pag-asama hanggat magkaroon tayo ng sariling pamilya.
mahal na mahal kita. Walang magbabago.
Look, the moment is now. You and I in the center, where eternity slows down, like the color of memory. You're the end of my road. You're the perfect surprise. You're the one that keeps pulling me in and holding me close, keeping me here in the light. 'Cause there's nothing that I wouldn't do. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do.
Napakaswerte ko kasi tinupad mo yung pangako mo na papakasalan mo ko. Yung gusto ko na kasal.
The day I learned that there's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. Anyway, anything, always, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Every second, every moment.
Mula ngayon, hanggat sa ating huling hininga, ikaw ang aking asawa, aking kaibigan, at aking habang buhay ng pag-ibig. At last, hindi ako magsisisi na ikaw ang pinili ko sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko, asawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mark Joseph and Denise May Adesa. Mark Joseph, you may now please report.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do.
pag-ibig habang buhay. Pangako, hanggang sa ating 50th, 60th, kung kaya, hanggang 100th wedding anniversary. I love you.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do